As a beginner Excel user, your Excel sheets may look like a complete mess, with cramped text and hidden data. In this lesson, I'll teach you how to fix it. Before we proceed, hit subscribe so you don't miss anything. Columns and rows form the basic structure of your Excel worksheet. They generally define the cells where you enter data. Efficiently managing their size and presence is crucial for clear data entry, presentation, and navigation. In this lesson, you'll learn how to manage columns and rows in Excel. Adjusting column width. Column width determines how much data can be displayed horizontally in a cell. You can adjust them this way. 1. Manual adjustment, by dragging. To use this option, hover your mouse pointer over the line separating two column letters, e.g., between A and B, in the column header. The pointer will change to a double-headed arrow. Click and drag the line to the left to reduce the column width, or to the right to expand the width. 2. AutoFit Column Width, by using Best Fit. This method automatically adjusts the column width to fit the widest entry in that column. To use this option, double-click the line separating two column letters in the header. Alternatively, select the column or columns you want to adjust. Go to Home tab and select Format under Cells group. From the drop-down list, select AutoFit Column Width. 3. Setting specific width. You can decide to set selected columns to a specific width, e.g., 15 or 20. To do this, select the column or columns you want to adjust their width. Go to Home tab in the Cells group and select Format. From the drop-down list, select Column Width. In the Column Width dialog box, enter a specific number, e.g. 15, for the width. Click OK. In each of the above options, the column width adjusts accordingly. Adjusting row height. Row height determines how much data can be displayed vertically in a cell. It is especially useful with wrapped text. Adjust row heights with the following options. 1. Manual adjustment, by dragging. Hover your mouse pointer over the line separating two row numbers, e.g., between 1 and 2, in the row header. The pointer will change to a double-headed arrow. Click and drag the line up to reduce height, or down to expand height. 2. AutoFit Row Height, using Best Fit. With this option, you can automatically adjust the row height to fit the tallest content in that row. To use this option, double-click the line separating two row numbers in the header. Alternatively, select the row or rows you want to adjust its height. Go to Home tab and select Format under Cells group. From the drop-down list, select AutoFit Row Height. 3. Setting specific height. Select the row or rows you want to adjust. Go to Home tab in the Cells group, select Format. From the drop-down list, select Row Height. In the Row Height dialog box, enter a specific number for the height and click OK. Inserting and deleting columns and rows. You can add or remove columns and rows to restructure your data as needed. Inserting columns. To insert columns in a worksheet, follow these steps. 1. Select the column to the right of which you want to insert a new column, e.g., to insert a column before column C, select column C. 2. On the Home tab, in the Cells group, click the Insert arrow. 3. From the list, select Insert Sheet Columns. 4. Alternatively, right-click the selected column letter and choose Insert from the context menu. To insert multiple columns, select the number of existing columns that corresponds to the number you want to insert, then, use the Insert command to insert the exact number of columns in your worksheet. Inserting rows. To insert rows in a worksheet, follow these steps. 1. Select the row below which you want to insert a new row. E.g., to insert a row before row 3, select row 3. 2. On the Home tab, in the Cells group, click Insert arrow. 3. From the list, select Insert Sheet Rows. 4. Alternatively, right-click the selected row number and choose Insert from the context menu. To insert multiple rows, select the number of existing rows that corresponds to the number you want to insert, then, use the Insert command to insert the exact number of rows in your worksheet. Deleting columns. 1. Select the columns you want to delete. 2. On the Home tab, in the Cells group, click Delete arrow. 3. From the list, select Delete Sheet columns. 4. Alternatively, right-click the selected column letter and choose Delete from the context menu. Deleting rows. 1. Select the rows you want to delete. 2. On the Home tab, in the Cells group, click Delete arrow. 3. From the list, select Delete Sheet rows. 4. Alternatively, right-click the selected row number and choose Delete from the context menu. Hiding and unhiding rows and columns. Hiding rows or columns removes them from view without deleting the data. This is useful for decluttering or protecting sensitive information. To hide columns or rows. 1. Select the column or row you wish to hide. 2. Right-click the selected column letter or row number and choose Hide. Alternatively, on the Home tab, in the Cells group, click Format. From the list, point to Hide and Unhide. Select Hide Rows, for row, or Hide Columns, for column. To unhide columns or rows. When columns or rows are hidden, a double line will appear in their place in the headers. To unhide do the following. 1. Select the columns or rows on either side of the hidden section, e.g., if column B is hidden, select columns A and C. Similarly, if row 5 is hidden, select rows 4 and 6. 2. Right-click the selected headers and choose Unhide. Alternatively, on the Home tab, in the Cells group, click Format. From the list, point to Hide and Unhide. Select Unhide Rows, for row, or Unhide Columns, for column. Note this, if only one column or row is hidden, you can double-click the double line in the header to unhide it quickly. Efficiently managing columns and rows is crucial for clear data entry, presentation, and navigation. It is therefore crucial that you master how to modify them. In our next lesson, we'll look at basic data management in Excel.